Good morning and good evening to the Philippines. Kumusta po kayong lahat? And Christmas is coming. 3 days na lang, Pasko na. Diba? Ang saya. Are you excited na po ba kayo magbukas ng mga gift ninyo for Christmas? Sana all. Parang po hindi. Anyway, let's invite our friends before we keep going. Good morning po ulit. It is 7:30 in the morning and it's very cold in Lake Tahoe. Sorry. 3 days na lang, Pasko na. Ready na po ba kayo? Grabe. Ready na po ba kayong magbukas ng mga gift ninyo? You know, this morning, so bago ako before that. Can you hear me? Like, wait. I've been talking again and nobody can hear me. It's like, wait. Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang inyong inang Sheila. And gusto ko lang po kayong batiin ng 3 days before Christmas. So hopefully I can vlog one more before Christmas Day, no? I got so busy. Nandito po kami sa Lake Tahoe kasi bakasyon ng mga bata. So gusto rin po naming ibakasyon yung mga bata. Actually, yung anak kong lalaki, so we drove 8 hours papunta dito sa Lake Tahoe, no? We drove 8 hours. Okay naman siya. He was okay. Pero pagdating dito sa Lake Tahoe, the following day, kasi this is our third day dito. Yung first day is on the way dito. Yung second day, yesterday na, sabi ko, halika na, gumala na tayo. Libutin natin yung Lake Tahoe, ganyan. Tapos sabi niya, what? Sabi nung anak ko, I thought we came here for vacation. Why we have to keep going out? Sabi nung anak ko. So yung bakasyon, hindi talaga bakasyon. It's like more work. Ganun pala yun 'pag nagta-travel ka talaga. 'Pag sinabi mo, "Halika magbabakasyon tayo, mag-out of town tayo." Hindi talaga bakasyon, it's more likely work. Kasi lakad ka ng lakad, punta ka dito, punta ka diyan para makita mo yung mga scenery. Tapos ano, kasi this is the first time ng mga bata to go out sa out in the house para sa Christmas. So, we're not celebrating Christmas sa bahay. Ito yung first time. So, yung anak ko naman babae, she's wondering how it's gonna happen. Paano daw si Santa Claus kasi they still believe in Santa Claus. My kids likes Santa Claus. Ganyan. Kasi yung husband ko, he wanna keep the spirit of, of surprises, yung ganon. Kaya we still celebrate Santa Claus instead of we celebrate Jesus Christ. Ganyan. So, this morning nga, bago ako gumising at mag-vlog, no, I was looking yung mga Christmas. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Hi, Miriam. Good evening sa'yo. Kumusta? Kumusta po lahat sa mga nandyan po na nanonood? Ako po ang inyong inang Sheila. Um, gusto ko lang bumati ng Merry Christmas bago magpasko. So, sabi ko nga kanina bago ako gumising, naghahanap ako ng mga Christmas pictures namin ng mga anak ko before from the beginning, yung bago ko sila ipanganak or nung pakapapanganak ko lang sa kanila hanggang sa ngayon na malaki na sila. Ay, Merry Christmas! Tapos ang hirap pala kasi yung mga pictures so sabi ko, "Uy, asan na yung pictures na 'to?" Every year we try to have a pictures taken sa Christmas tree. But this time it's kind of hard. So as we did this year. Pero there were years na hindi ko nakuhanan yung pictures nila na every sa Christmas tree, yung you get together or with Santa Claus, yung ganyan. It's so nice na you gathered your family every Christmas. Naiiyak na naman ako. Napakaiyakin ko talaga. Thank you. It's just that, every year it's nice to celebrate together with your family, whether you believe in Christmas or you don't believe in Christmas. Kasi when they grow up, you're gonna miss them, di ba? I found some pictures from my other, my family, my relatives that way back then we celebrate every year. We go to their house, ganyan. Tapos we stop kasi pandemic hits. And then after the pandemic hits, parang iba na, everyone was different, everyone changed, everyone, not everyone wants to be with you anymore, not everyone is fun to be with anymore. Parang gano'n, parang something happened to them or something happened to you distance yourself, ganyan, 'di ba? 'Di ba 'pag so, I think Christmas is really nice to celebrate kasi everyone, to to reconnect, sa mga family mo, sa relatives mo, 'di ba? Kasi someday you don't know if they're still with you or not. Oh my God, para akong praning 'no? So, sabi ko nga ganyan. But actually my message is cleaner heart before the house. Lahat tayo, we're busy cleaning, we're busy preparing, wrapping gifts, ganyan. But the more meaning of it is um to reach out to other people. I know, sorry. Napakaiyakin ko. To reach out sa mga kamag-anak natin, to clean our heart before the Lord. Kasi 'di ba siya naman talaga yung reason why we are celebrating. So, puwedeng hugot muna. Panay ang hugot ko. So, bago mag-general cleaning, general heart cleaning of the heart first, 'di ba? Sorry. Thank you, Miriam. You're so sweet. Oh, Merry Christmas. Christmas is dapat fun. Kaya lang, clean our heart first and reach out to your family, to your relatives, and keep that pictures. I'm so happy actually with the Facebook. Kasi yung Facebook, so I can't find other pictures of my family and I look around and I found them in Facebook. Kaya ganun. It was so nice. So, my message. Oh my God. Thank you guys. Thank you for coming. Please subscribe and share. Na maglalambing na rin ako. Um, Sabi nga sa Psalms 51:10, create me a clean heart, O God. Because it's nice. Christmas, clean heart, diba? So happy tayo, Mary nga. Diba? Hindi iyakin. Hmm. Okay, thank you so much for coming and for so I get it out. Thank you for download thank you for coming and sharing and subscribing. But I want to share you before I go. Want to share you my view where I am right now. Uh, it's so usually last night there was the snow last night. So those snows in there. It was snowing last night, so right now it's still kind of foggy because it's a little early. But I'll show you more. Okay, guys. Thank you for coming and and stopping by to Inang's channel. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Have a good night and good morning. Have a great day. I love you. God bless.